there, this is Doreen Velin. Welcome back. We're going to have some fun with dots. We're going to play with dots today, and called the dotty thing. So thank you for joining me, and stick around. Okay, today we're going to expand on an earlier video. I did this as a background, and now we're just going to do a bunch of dots. I'm going to do dots everywhere, and I have a sort of a plan. It's going to be a design, and I'm going to be going sort of in this general direction, like maybe like a bit of an S. So I'm going to do a bunch of dots. Okay, I'll do yellow this one. It's hard to get them just equal. Okay, and do some blue here. One thing about art, you know, it's very forgiving. A lot more forgiving than people. I find people sometimes aren't too forgiving. You know, people say, oh, I don't know how to forgive. Well, it doesn't come from the heart. It comes from the head. So the only way to forgive is to decide to forgive. So you can decide to forgive. It comes from the head. Make a decision. I had to do that. I was kind of physically mauled by a brother-in-law one time when I was a little kid. And I had to physically make the decision in my head to forgive him. It took a long time. I had to work on it. And I worked on it by telling myself that I can do it. And eventually I did. It took about 3 years. I never liked him after that, but I did make the decision to forgive him and love him. So it is difficult, but it is a decision, and you have to decide. And so I'm going to decide now that that this is good, and I'm going to forgive all the little dots here for screwing me up. So I'm going to make the decision. So this is my secret weapon, my squeegee. Now this is taken from our shower, and my husband had a shower this morning and said, "There's no squeegee. Where'd the shower go?" Well, I stole it. So I'm going to make a little bit of a thing here and see what's going to happen. So we're just going to take the squeegee. This is on a dry canvas. You don't have to even have color behind it if you don't want. If you want to do all design, don't do a background color. But I'm going to try to leave some of that background color. So that's why I did the background color. So let's just see what happens here. Cool, eh? Now, the decision. Do I want something here? I don't really like it right there. I'm going to just wipe this off here. My paper towel went missing, so I have to use some toilet paper. I think it should go off the canvas. So I'm going to try to do a little one, maybe going that way. Let's try that. What color do I need? Let's try the dark. This actually is my beautiful Payne's Gray. I just love this color. Just do a couple dots. And maybe that blue in between. Let's try that. Doesn't matter what your pattern is. Just have fun with it. Yeah, I like that. That's a lot better. Oh, shoot. Okay. Very simple. It took no time at all. It's fast. It's fun. It's quirky. And I just want to get rid of this here. And it's kind of a cool design. So, you know what? That takes no talent at all. Just some colors of paint, dot them on, and you create a nice flow. You might want to do this on a great big canvas and do all kinds of lines on it and not do any background, and it'd be beautiful wall hanging. It'd be gorgeous. So you have nothing on your walls and you want something to put on your walls, get a great big canvas and just do this all over. You do all kinds of dots. I want to thank you for joining me today. This is Doreen Velin, and I want you to please, 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 please click and comment and let me know what you think, because I feel a little lonely sometimes sitting here and I'm looking at this black glass. So I'd like to know who you are out there. Come and say hi. I'll chat back with you. I'd love to do that. Thank you.